This is my second year being monetized on YouTube, and this year my channel reached a total of around 438,000 views across all my videos. If you've ever wondered how much YouTube actually pays for that many views, or whether earnings have grown since 2024, in this video I'm going to break down exactly how those views were spread across all of my content, showing what I earned from each type of video, and sharing some surprising insights about what really drives income on the platform. So let's just dive in and see what went on the inside of my channel for the year of 2025. Now, for quick reference, I typically post around 2 times a month. Some months I do post 3 times because of sponsorship videos, but this is the general cadence that I've been doing over the last 2.5 years. While I was hoping to post more in 2025, this just seemed to be the most realistic and most consistent schedule for me. Okay, so I've customized the dashboard to the year 2024, and as you can see, in 2024, the channel got 434,206 views across all the videos on the channel. And it earned a total of $7,669.02, which was my first year being monetized, which honestly, I was pretty proud of considering I am a one-woman show. Now, this number accounts for all the views across long form videos and YouTube shorts, which I honestly kind of just dabbled in shorts in 2024, but it's not really my main method of marketing. So to see the breakdown between the different types of payouts from the channel, we'll go to content, hit shorts, and see that shorts received 101,000 views in 2024, and 332,000 of those was from long form content. Now, if we click revenue and then we go down to see how we made that money, $7,660 was from the watch paid ads, which is AdSense, which is basically the ads that play throughout your video, and shorts was a whopping $8 for 101,000 views. So now that you've seen the numbers from 2024 and know what they look like, let's dive into what the numbers look like for 2025. So as you can see, I've adjusted to 2025, and for that year, I got 442,351 views in 2025 and earned approximately $7,954 on the channel. Now, this number accounts for all the views across long form and YouTube shorts again, which I honestly don't post a lot of shorts like I mentioned. And again, if we go across to content and we click shorts, you'll see that the channel received 72,000 views in 2025, which is honestly pretty wild because I haven't been posting a lot of them at all in 2025. And it just goes to show the amazing power of YouTube and shorts, just proving that time and time again, that short form content on YouTube is still worth posting because this content, just like the long form content, can be searchable for years after it's been posted, which I think is pretty cool in my opinion. Then you'll come over to videos and you'll see that the channel got 369,000 views on the long form content. Now, as we come down to the revenue tab, we'll go down again and see where it's all coming from. So as you can see from watch paid ads, it's $7,950, and from the shorts feed ads, I got about $4, which is why I personally don't spend a ton of time creating shorts, although I know that they can be really good drivers to your long form content, which is something that I actually want to test out in the new year as well. So as you can see in 2025, the channel made about $200 or $300 more than 2024, while the views increased by about 4,000 to 5,000 views. Now, I'm personally happy that the channel grew at all, although it wasn't a huge spike. Any growth, in my opinion, and steady growth is still growth, so I'm very grateful. But one thing I really wanted to point out that determines how much your channel is paid per view is also called the CPM, also known as cost per milli or cost per 1,000 views, which basically means how much advertisers are paying out to run ads on your videos, and this number will vary widely from niche to niche. But as you can see, when we go into the watch page ads from 2024, CPM was about $47 to reach 1,000 views. But this personally isn't my portion. YouTube still needs to get their cut before they give the channel their final cut, which is also known as the RPM, also known as revenue per milli. So in 2024, my RPM ended up being around $23 per 1,000 views. So let's compare this all to 2025. As you can see, back in 2025, revenue, watch page ads ended up being around $41 for the CPM, so cost per milli. When we go back to the RPM for 2025, you can see it was about $21 per 1,000 views. So as you can see, 2025 slightly decreased by about $6 from 2024, but then the RPM also decreased by about $2 from 2024. So the reason why this channel maybe increased its overall total by about $200 is even though the RPM decreased by $2, it was simply because the channel's views increased from 2024. I personally really enjoy doing these kinds of deep dives to look over analytics for the year to see what's going on not only with my content, but also the factors like how much advertisers are paying and how that impacts the final number for the year. If there is one thing to take away from this, is that to my knowledge, there is no other platform that is as powerful as YouTube in terms of the monetization payouts for creators, which is why I am such a big fan of this platform. Now, in addition to the views and the payouts, this channel has also led to building an amazing community of like-minded people and other opportunities to monetize through digital products and brand sponsors. So if you're sitting on the sidelines wondering if YouTube is worth the effort in 2026 and beyond, I would say 100% yes. It almost feels like compounding interest for your content creation efforts, because although it is a lot of work, it's the kind of work that pays you dividends long after you've posted your content. If this video was helpful, insightful, or useful, do let me know in the comments below. And if you're not subscribed yet, consider subscribing and hitting the bell so you never miss another video from me, where I talk all things UGC, creating digital products, and creating a thriving creative business. Thanks so much for watching, and keep building your dream.